Changing your primary email on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select account information. In the settings menu, find and select the option for account information. This section contains details about your registered email and phone number. Step 4. Update your email address. Locate your current primary email address and select the option to edit or change it. Enter your new email address and confirm it as required. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Zelle will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle support for assistance.